Today I'm quickly going to show you how to combine videos on TikTok. Make sure you watch it until the end and let's jump right into it. Head over to the app of TikTok and make sure that you have all of the videos that you want to combine on your phone. Now from TikTok, tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then tap on upload and select the videos. You can select any number of videos that you want and then you can tap on next on the bottom right. Now by alone doing that, you'd be able to see that you've easily combined two videos. Now if you want to again add in more, you can tap on the studios option on this right panel and a editing platform will open up. Now in order to add in more videos and to combine them, you can tap on this plus icon right here and choose any video that you want to add. And as soon as you do that, you can see that the video now will be added and will be combined. Now you can tap on save on the top right and there you go. That's how easily you can combine videos on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and also share this video. That's gonna be all for today and I'll be back with more.